These are the Deleepow 3400 milliwatt 1.5 volt AA lithium rechargeable batteries. Rechargeable batteries are good for the environment and good for the wallet. These were sent to me for evaluation purposes, but all opinions are my own. Let me show you what you get with this. When you get this, comes in a nice box right here. You're going to want to read through this manual because you can actually use this charger right here, this digital charger, to charge other types of batteries, such as the 1.2 volt nickel metal hydrate or the 1.2 volt nickel cadmium battery. And you can even mix and match them in here. So pretty cool, something you're going to want to read through. You get about a 1-foot charger cable. The block doesn't come with it, but we've all got blocks these days. You get the 4 batteries and you get this awesome digital charger, which I think is great. The thing I really like about this charger is the display on here. Let me show you this. So plug this thing in and it's got a really nice digital display to let you know exactly where your batteries are at in the charging process. Batteries are easy to load. You just put the positive side in first and snap it into place. And once you get them in there, it recognizes the battery is in place and it starts to let you know what level this thing is charged at. And it only takes 2 hours to fully charge these batteries. These are high capacity batteries, so something like this is going to be great for smart home devices, security cameras, lights, handheld games, kids' toys with motors, anything with a motor, maybe a razor, stuff like that. One of the cool things about this charger too is that it has overheating protection and overcharging protection, so you can put them in there if you happen to forget about them for a little bit. It's not a problem. It won't take away from the life of the battery. Another thing I like about the design of this charger, not only the display, but I usually charge my batteries on my desk, so I could set this upright, I could set it on its side, and I could keep a view on it from where I'm sitting at my desk. I love rechargeable batteries. I'm probably going to use them in my remote control. It'd be a great long-lasting battery since it's high capacity, and I shouldn't have to worry about changing the batteries in my remote for a long time, which I like. And I like the fact that I'm not using disposable batteries. So pretty cool. Deleepow rechargeable batteries.